Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best grill carts. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Food Grade 304 Stainless Steel Barbecue Grill Carts. Fits 22-foot tabletop griddle, outdoor grill table with 4 foldable legs, portable grill stand for RV, camping, tailgating. Brand, Electactic. Special feature, sturdy. Color, sliver. 100% 304 stainless steel material. This outdoor grill table is made entirely of food grade 304 stainless steel material, which can support to 450 pounds, sturdy and durable, easy to clean, heat resistant, rust proof and waterproof. Our grill table is the perfect partner for your Blackstone grills, barbecue grills, cookers, smokers and other portable outdoor cooking equipment. Foldable design, the portable grill table folds up like a suitcase for easy movement and storage, perfect for tailgating, camping and RV. When you need to use it, just easily unfold the table leg frame, attach the storage tray to the frame, then it's ready to use. Humanized design, our outdoor grill cart is equipped with a seasoning box, bottle opener, towel rack and magnetic knife holder to ensure a clean and tidy workspace throughout the cooking process. Enhance your cooking experience. Mobility and stability, our grill carts with wheels is equipped with 2 swivel casters with brakes to enhance mobility and stability. Whether you're hosting a barbecue in the backyard or a party indoors, you can easily move the cart into place and lock it securely in place. Multifunctional use, this outdoor prep table can be used indoors as an extension of your kitchen or workbench. It also can be used outdoors as a barbecue table, pizza oven rack, grill cart, potting table, barbecue cart, pizza oven table, and more. Number 2. Portable Grill Cart for Blackstone Griddle. 440 pounds foldable outdoor grill table with wheels for Ninja, 31-inch WX17D Blackstone griddle stand with caddy fit 17-inch or 22-inch. Shelf type, tiered shelf. Frame material, iron. Brand, Sandpoi. Heavy-duty grill stand engineered with triangular welded joints, this outdoor grill cart can withstand 440 pounds loads without structural deformation. It eliminates wobbling risks during lively BBQs, no more surprises when maneuvering heavy griddles. Portable grill table featuring a pre-assembled foldable frame, this barbecue table expands in 20 seconds with 360 degrees lockable wheels. The compact design fits in car trunks effortlessly, making it ideal for outdoor grilling and camping trips. Perfect fit compatibility, this grill table fits Blackstone Griddle, Uni pizza ovens, Ninja footy systems and familiar tabletop cookers. It can easily convert from an outdoor prep table to a mobile kitchen island instantly. Number 3. Outdoor Grill Cart with Wheels. Blackstone Griddle stand for 17-inch and 22, folding grill table for Weber Grill, Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill, portable grill table for griddle accessories. Brand, EUTRK. Special feature breakable wheels, built-in shelf, collapsible, durable, easy assembly. Color, black. Fuel type, gas. Griddle table, cart, stand size, this folding table measures L31-inch, W17, H28.3. A portable griddle stand is a great dominator for all kinds of outdoor grills. The foldable grill table can allow you to make a big splash in outdoor barbecue. Portable grill table, the safety lock folding one-piece design of this table makes it compact and convenient to place in the trunk of your car with no problem at all, easy to store, and easy to access. To install it you only need to spend about 30 seconds, you need to open the safety lock, gently turn the nut, install the firmware, and lock the table legs. Outdoor griddle accessories, it is customized for outdoor grilling enthusiasts. It blends very well with Blackstone Griddle's 17-inch and 22 and is a great dominator for Blackstone Griddle accessories. This grill cart comes with breakable wheels, a paper towel holder, a collapsible spice basket, a table mat, safety locks, grill tool hooks, magnetic suction for attaching spatulas, ties made of nylon, stainless steel handles, and more. Having it is like having an extra outdoor kitchen. Number 4. Ciokea Folding Outdoor Grill Cart with Wheels. 3-shelf grill table with 27 by 18 and tabletop, rolling pizza oven stand, metal portable cart for barbecue patio camping. Shelf type, tiered shelf. Frame material, metal. Brand, Ciokea. Color, all black. Stable and sturdy, the grill cart features a reinforced support frame with a secure locking mechanism that prevents wobbling. Confidently hold up to 45 pounds per tier. The metal tabletop and mesh panels ensure lasting durability. Two of the wheels include a locking function to keep the cart securely in place, even on slopes. Portable and foldable, this foldable grill cart can be fully unfolded in just 20 seconds, offering ample room for all your cooking necessities. When not in use, it folds compactly for storage in narrow spaces like closets or car trunks, making it ideal for small patios, kitchens, or on-the-go adventures. Clean easily, the rust-resistant stainless steel grill cart is easy to clean, while the innovative mesh plate design prevents water and dust buildup. Integrated side hooks and holder offer convenient storage for grilling tools, helping maintain a neat and organized cooking space. Number 5. NUUK Grill Carts Outdoor with enclosed cabinet and storage drawer. Portable patio bar cart with wheels, stainless steel kitchen storage island, 20-inch by 30-inch rolling prep station for barbecue, deck, backyard. High quality material, our outdoor barbecue cart designed for stability and convenience. Featuring heavy gauge square tube legs, this grill cart ensures a sturdy foundation for all your grilling adventures. The stainless steel tabletop is not only safe but also easy to clean, making post-cookout maintenance a breeze. Ample space, with a 20 inches x 30 inches, total 600 inches spacious working surface, you'll have ample room to prepare your favorite dishes, can be used as grilling prep station, pizza oven table, cooking table, or bar cart. 4S hooks help you hang your towels or utensils. Spacious storage, while the built-in cabinet provide generous room to store everything you need for easy access and away from the elements. The slide drawer with safety stopper design help you keep dishware, grill tools, seasoning, and others essentials close at hand. Easy to move, the sturdy four wheels make it easy to move around where you need it. Perfect for use as a bar cart and mobile garden table. This outdoor grill cart is not only functional but also stylish, making it a great addition to any backyard or patio. Multifunctional, this multifunctional rolling bar cart is perfect for backyard gatherings, allowing you to cook, prepare, and store everything you need in one place. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this stylish and efficient barbecue grill. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.